Hello, welcome. Today we'll be trying to look at other commands we'll be executing using our Linux, our color Linux. So today we'll be looking at some commands like touch to create a new file. We'll be looking at some command like cat to check details of our files or to read our file. We'll be looking at some commands like mkdir to make new directory. We'll be looking at some commands like rm to remove files. We'll be looking at some commands like rmdir to remove directories. We'll be looking at some commands like nano. Nano is just like a text editor. Okay, so we'll be looking at some commands like nano and what we can actually do in nano. So follow me, let's see how far we can cover up these few commands. So today the first command we'll be looking at today, I said, is the touch command. So before we start, let's do our ls command. Okay, so now we want to create a new directory and a new file. So we use touch. So now we want to create a new directory and a new file. We want to put a content in the file. So how do we go about this? Let's start with our ls command. So this is both our directories and our files. So let's go to our desktop, cd desktop. Okay, now I want to create a new file. How do we go about it? We use our touch. Let's say the file want to create. Okay, now I've created a new file in my desktop and I called it Thelma. So let's see whether we're going to be saying it. Let's do our ls. Now you can see Thelma here as our new file. Okay, now we want to make a new directory. What do we call it? T. So the second command is the mkdir and we called it T. So let's go back, let's check. Now you can see we have Thelma as a file and we have T. Okay, so when you come here, if you come here, you will see T, which is shining blue. Okay, now you can see Thelma as a new file that I created here. Okay, so the other command I said we'll be looking at is what